Hello. In today's video, we'll see how we can use the Gate virtual calculator. We'll be seeing various calculations like arithmetic calculations, power, logarithmic, trigonometric, hyperbolic. Firstly, let's see some of the arithmetic calculations. Suppose I have to perform an addition. I need to add the two numbers 916 and 238. Then simply here in the calculator I'll press 916, then plus sign 238 equal to. So we get it as 1154. Then suppose I'm having some decimal values and I want to perform the addition. Then for that, same way we'll type the numbers. This is the addition that we want to perform. 24.32. If you have written it wrong, then you can press this backspace symbol, plus 79.26 equal to. So we get it as 103.58. Same way, if we want to perform subtraction, like suppose I'm having these two numbers 456 and 213.33. I'll just type it 456 minus then 213.33 and press equal to. So we get it as 242.67. Then suppose I'm having this way decimal number and want to perform multiplication. Then simply I'll just write the number 3.32, press multiplication sign into 4.52 and press equal to. So we get it as 15.0064. Then let's say we're having another calculation which is 334 into 428. So 334, then multiplication sign 428 and equal to. We get that 142952. Then let's say I'm having some decimal values and I want to perform division. So 4.64 divided by 3.34, which is I'll just write here 4.64, then division 3.34 and press equal to. We get this as 1.3892. Let's take another example. I'm having this value 25.6 divided by 2.34 plus 23.68 divided by 3.61. For this, let me just clear this. Now 25.6, then division sign 2.34, then equal to, then press plus sign 23.68, division sign 3.61 and press equal to. So we get our answer 17.499727. Let's take another example where we are having multiplication and division. This way I'm having 3.6 into 9.8 divided by 2.31, and this is multiplied with 4.6 into 2.3 divided by 3.12. So now as you can see this, in the numerator we have multiplication, so we can multiply all these values together and then we'll divide it by these two numbers. I'll just clear this, and 3.6 multiply sign 9.8 multiply 4.6 multiply sign 2.3 equal to, then divide it, division sign 2.31 equal to, again division sign 3.12 and equal to. So on solving this we are getting 51.7902. Then I want to perform some percentage calculations. Like I'm having a question in which I need to find 35% of 2305. For that, here I'll type 35, then press this percentage symbol and type 2305, then press equal to. So we get it as 806.75. Then suppose in some probability question you need to find the combination. So for that, let me just take an example. I need to find 11C5. Here directly you don't have that, so we'll need to simplify it in factorial, like 11C5. So as per the equation, it is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial, which is 11 factorial upon 11 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Here we can write this as 11, then factorial symbol, then division, 6, factorial symbol, again division, 5, factorial symbol, and then press equal to. So we get this 11C5 as 462. Then let's see some of the power calculations. Let me take a number. Suppose I'm having 91.28. I need to find its square, also the cube. Then I want to find 91.28 raised to 2.6. Let's just see how will we perform this calculations. 91.28, then press x square equal to, again 91.28, then press x cube, so we'll get the cube. Then we have 91.28 raised to 2.6, so write the number, then press x raised to y. Now you'll type this power, which is 2.6, and then press equal to. Then suppose I have any number and I want to find its cube root. Let me take any example. I need to find the cube root of 277.65. For that, I'll just type this number 277.65, then press this cube root symbol and press equal to. Then let's see some logarithmic functions. For that, I'm taking this example. I need to find 20 log 5.32. We'll start writing from here, that is 5.32. Then I'll press this log symbol and then I'll press multiply, as we want to multiply it with 20, and we'll get our answer, which is 14.5182. Let me take another example. Now I need to find ln of 5.32. For that, again same way, 5.32, then I'll press ln. So I get it as 1.6714. In the first example, it was log 5.32 to the base 10. And now I'm taking another example where we have base 2. So I'll type 10, then press this log x to base 2. So we get it as 3.3 0.3219. Then suppose I have base other than 2 or 10. Let me take that example also. 5 log 100 to the base 5. For this, what you will do, here you will type 100, then press this log x to the base y symbol, and then press 5 and equal to, we get 2.8613. This was log 100 to the base 5. Multiplying it with 5, we get it as 14.306. Let's take another example where we have a different base, 2 log 1.493 to the base 4. For this, you'll start from 1.493, then press log x to the base y, then we'll press 4 equal to, and then multiplication sign 2. So we get this 0.5782. Now I need to find e raised to something. I'm taking this example, 7 e raised to 2.6. For this, what we'll do, first let me just clear this. Here I'll type 2.6, then press e raised to x, then multiplication sign 7 and equal to. So we get this as 94.246. Then I want to find 10 to the power something. Like I'm having 10 raised to 0.375. For that, what I'll do, I'll type 0.375, then press 10 raised to x. So we get this as 2.3713. This is how we can find 10 to the power x. Then I'm having any number like this, 3.44 raised to 2.6. For that, what I need to do, I'll type this 3.44. Then we have x raised to y. I'll just press that and write 2.6 equal to. So we get 24.834. Now let's take some trigonometric functions and hyperbolic functions. Here you can see this mode, degree and radian. Now suppose I have the question like sine 55 degree, then my mode will be set to degree. Same way, I need to find tan 72 degree, so my mode will be set to degree. Then cos 66 degree. Let's just find all of these. I'll type 55, then press sine symbol, so I get it as 0.81915. Then tan 72 degree. For that, I'll type 72, then press this 10 symbol. We get it as 3.077. Then cos 66 degree. My Kelsey is set in degree mode only. 66, then press cos sign. So we get this as 0.4067. Same way, let's see some other functions, which is, first of all, let me just show you when we have it in radian. Like now I want to find the value in radian. So I'll set the mode to radian to find 10 pi by 3. For this, here you can find the pi symbol on the left side, then division 3 equal to, and then you'll press this 10 sign. So the calculator is set to radian mode, and then we perform the calculations. Then suppose I need to find sine pi by 6. This you already know the value of sine pi by 6 or 10 pi by 3. Might be while giving the exam you would have some other value which you are not aware, and you can find it like this. Set the calculator to radian mode, pi by 6, then press sine symbol. Now I'm taking another example, hyperbolic function, sine h4. For that, press 4, then the sine h symbol and equal to. So we get 27.2899. Then suppose I'm having cos h 4. Same way I'll type 4, then press this cos h symbol and we get 27.308. Now I need to find tan h4. Same way, first let me just clear this. 4, then press tan h. We get this as 0.99932. Then I want to find some inverse functions, inverse hyperbolic functions, like sin h inverse 2 by 3. I'll type here 2 divided by 3 equal to, and then press the sin h inverse. So we get it as 0.6251. Now I want to find tan h inverse of a value which is 5 by 6. For that, here I'll type 5 divided by 6 equal to, and then press this tan h inverse. This is coming as 1.1989. And then I have cos h inverse of 7 by 6. Here I'll type 7 divided by 6 equal to, and then press cos h inverse. So I get this as 0.5696. Let's see some inverse trigonometric functions. Suppose I need to find cos inverse of 0.36. I can find it in degree or in radian, whatever value I need. So suppose I'm finding it in degree, then my calculator is set in degree mode. Here I'll just type 0.36 and then I'll press cos inverse. So in degree I'm getting it as 68.899 degree. And now I need it in radian. For that I'll set the calculator to radian mode, type 0.36 and then press cos inverse. I get it in radian, 1.2025. Then same way, let me just take another example. Suppose I need to find sine inverse of 0.15 and I need the value in radian. The calculator will be set to radian mode, type 0.15 and then press sine inverse. We get that as 0.1505. I need to find tan inverse of 3 by 4. For that, here in the calculator, I'll press 3 division 4 equal to, and then press tan inverse symbol. Calculator is set in radian mode. So we get this answer, 0.6435 in radian. And one last example I want to take, which is suppose I want to find fifth root of something, of any value. Like I need to find fifth root of 625, which is I can even write it as 625 raised to 1 by 5. Here type 625 and then press yth root of x. Then write the root, which is 5, and press equal to. So we get it as 3.62, or you can even do it as 625 x raised to y, and then we'll put a bracket 1 divided by 5, bracket close, and equal to. we'll get it as 3.62. So here I have covered almost all the calculations that you might need to perform using the virtual gate calculator. In case you have any doubt while performing any other calculation while you are practicing at home, then you can ask me your doubt using contact us page available on my website, or you can even mail me your doubt. Here is my mail ID. Thank you.